Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review and a tutorial on the Madamglam gel polishes. They reached out to me and sent me 3 different gel polishes. This is the polishes right here. This is a purple, really pretty purple color. It is the only one. Super pretty. And then we have this one right here. This is like a mint green. I love this one. Like, mint green's one of my favorite colors. It's called Dusty Pastel Green. So it's really pretty, and actually that's what my nails are right now. And then we have this one right here. It's like a white color, and it is called Purity. And then they also sent me a top coat and a base coat. And the last thing they sent me was this LED lamp. It's a little mini one. It's super cute. It's like a travel size, I would say. It is a little mini LED gel light that you can, I would call it traveling, because you could take this anywhere. Like if you wanted to take it on vacation, this would be perfect. And it does come with a cord that you can plug into your laptop or computer to use the gel light. I want to thank Madamglam for sending me all this stuff. I'm super excited about it. So I am going to be giving you guys my thoughts on the polish, and I'm also going to be doing a little bit of a tutorial plus a wear test on this nail polish. And I will be giving you guys all my thoughts, and stay tuned for the end of the video for a wear test. If you guys are interested, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel, because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And let's start this Madamglam nail review. So I am going to be doing like a little unboxing right here, and I'm going to be showing you up close of everything I got. So this is what the box looks like. This is from Madamglam, New York. It says everything you love at your fingertips. It's just a black box with some gold trimming and accents. And then here is everything I received. So they did send me 3 polishes, and then a top coat and a base coat. And then here is what the little mini LED light looks like. It did come in its own separate box, and it does have directions and a charging cord in there. This is a mini LED lamp. So I think this is, like I said, perfect for traveling. It's super handy. Really cute, I think, and it's very convenient if you don't want to mess with having a bigger one that you have to dig out every time. This one just pops out, and it's super simple and fast. And then there was the top coat and the base coat. And then this top coat, you do have to have a cleanser to cleanse your nails after using the top coat to remove the stickiness, because this is a top coat that does leave the nails sticky. Some do and some don't, and this just happens to be one that does. And then here are the 3 different color gel polishes that I got. So I'm going to be giving you guys some swatches, and then I will be doing my nails and with a little wear test at the end. So I'm just going to start unboxing this LED mini light, and like I said, it did come in its own separate box in the Madamglam package. This is what the LED light looks like, and you guys can see the legs do flip out like that. It did come with directions, and it does have a power cord, because it does have to be plugged in to be able to use it. It's like a cord you can plug into your laptop or computer. So the first shade I will be showing you guys is this purple shade right here. It's a really pretty purple. It's a little bit darker than a lavender, but it's not a very dark purple. And I will be doing some nail swatches with those colors, I'll be doing the first coat and then a second coat. So this is the first coat, and you guys can see it is going on pretty thick. The formula of this nail polish is like a thicker formula than some others, which I think is alright. I think it actually makes the nail look better and more even, if that makes any sense. Some of the thinner polishes can make the nail kind of look uneven and lumpy. So this one goes on super smooth and easy. So that is the first coat, and you guys can see that you can't see through this color at all. Like, the first coat looks really good, but I am going to be going ahead and doing a second coat as well. And then here is the second coat. In between the coats, I do put it in the little mini LED light for around, you can either do 30 or 60 seconds. I went with 60 seconds, and I didn't video that part because it has to be plugged in, and the charger is a little short, so I couldn't quite reach over to where I was videoing. So here is what the second coat looks like, and as you guys can see, that is very like a very pretty color and very vibrant. You can't see through it, and it is like super smooth. So here is the second color I am going to be swatching for you guys. And on the website, this was like more of a white color, but actually the way the camera picked it up makes it look like a baby blue color, and that's not the case. So I'm not sure why the camera picked it up like that. But here is the first coat of it, and you guys can see that this one is a little less of a solid color. It's definitely still see-through after the first coat. It is like a white color, and it is more see-through, so I think that's just how this polish is, this one is. So if you didn't want it to be so see-through, you're probably gonna have to be putting more coats on it, probably more than 2 coats, honestly, but I just did 2. So here's the second coat, and you guys can see it is still a little bit see-through. It's like a white gray, if that makes any sense. It's still a very pretty color, and I think it turned out really well. And here is the last one I will be doing swatches of. This is like a mint green color, and I think this one is my favorite. It's super pretty. When I seen this one on the website, I knew I just had to get it. I love mint green. It's very pretty. I love pastel colors anyways, so it's very, very pretty. And this one is more like that first purple shade. It is very thick, and it is not see-through at all. It's more of a solid color. So this is the first coat. You guys can see it is like very thick, so when you get it when it is like a lot of polish in one area, it kind of does even itself out. You guys can see, like, I got a lot of polish on my brush that went onto the nail, and it kind of just evened itself out, so the nail is like very smooth with no lumps. And here is the second coat that I'm going to be putting on. Like the first one, the color is not see-through, so you really don't need a second coat. It's just more for the purpose of wanting your nails to last longer is why you put a second coat on with these colors, because they are very not see-through and a very thick base coat. So this is what the second coat looks like on that nail, and the camera is kind of picking it up a little bit darker than what it actually is. It is much lighter in person. So now I am ready to start painting my nails, and I am going to go ahead and use this mint green color to paint my nails. I'm not really going to show much of prepping my nails to get them ready to paint, because I have a ton of videos on how to do that I can link below. So I'm basically just going to be showing you these steps, like putting the base coat on. I'm not going to be going in depth really in this. Like I said, I have tons of videos where I go in depth on how to apply gel polish and stuff like that I will link below. So I'm just going to be painting that base coat on all of my nails, and then I will be sticking it under the little mini LED light for 60 to 30 seconds. Well, 30 to 60 seconds sounds a lot better. I did go with 60 seconds on all of them. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and then I will start applying that mint green polish. So now I am ready for painting my nails with the main polish, and I'm gonna, like I said, this green color is what I'm gonna be using. So I'm just gonna start painting all of my nails. Real quick, I want to talk to you guys about something. Something that I realized when you're using this little mini LED light, that you cannot fit your thumb. Well, I can't, anyways. I cannot fit my thumb under it with the rest of my hands, so I have to do like my forefingers and then do my thumb separate. And I did find out that since this polish is kind of so thick, that you want to do your thumb first, because if you don't, while you are you want to bake your thumb first in the LED light, because if you don't, while you're waiting for your other ones to get done under the light, the polish did kind of run and get all in around my nails and kind of look bad. So that's just something to be cautious of. I definitely would recommend doing it your thumb first. And that could just be because the way I had my thumb sitting was kind of tilted, that made the polish kind of run off. I'm not sure. So that's just something to be cautious of. I got kind of smart, and on my other hand, I did do my thumb first and then the rest of my nails, and I had no problems. So after 2 coats of that mint green color, now I am ready to do my top coat. So this is what the top coat bottle looks like, pretty much just like the base coat bottle. It just says top coat. So I'm just going to be applying a layer of the top coat on my nails, and I did only apply 1 coat of top coat. You definitely could have applied 2 coats. I didn't. I don't know. I'm not sure why I didn't, but I could have. But the nail polish really lasted a while without having to apply 2. So if you applied 2 coats, it would probably last even longer. But this is me just painting the top coat on, and then I did put my hand under the LED light for 60 seconds. Now, like I said, this is the top coat. You do have to use that cleanser on, and luckily I did have some cleanser on hand, so I just put some on a cotton ball, and I am going to just go over my nails with that, and that just removes the stickiness, so your nails are like normal and you don't have that sticky part on your nail, and it would totally mess your whole nail up. So this is a must with this polish. You definitely have to do this. And then this is what my fingers look like when I am done. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I think it was super easy to use this polish. It turned out really good. The color is so pretty, and I love how it looks. Like I said, there's no lumps, and my nails are all smooth. So I am going to be giving you guys a little wear test. So this is my nails, and this is what they look like a little under 2 weeks. You guys can see they still look really good. I'm really impressed with this nail polish. It worked really good. The only thing I would say you need to be cautious about is this gel polish. It does require a cleanse to go over it after you put the top coat on, or it is still sticky. Some gel polishes don't have that problem. Some gel polishes, once you put the top coat on, you're good to go, but this one is the one where you need to use that cleanse to wipe down your nail to get rid of that stickiness. That's just something to be cautious about. If you prefer that or not, it's all on individual people. I don't really mind it. I did have the cleansed and used it, and my nails are perfect. I do think that when you do that, the nail polish does last longer. That's just something I've experienced. I'm not sure if that's like 100% true or not. That's just something I experienced. Every time I use a polish like that, my nails always last longer and it doesn't come off as easy. I know some of the polishes I've used can peel off like stickers. Not the case with this brand and the nail polish. You guys can see, I'll show you up close. This is what this hand looks like, so pretty good. The only thing is on my thumb right there, you can kind of see it is kind of like a little bit textured, and it was not like that when I first applied it. And then this is what the other hand looks like. So you guys can see it is a little bit worse. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see a little bit, it has peeled off on these nails. It's not really that big of an issue because, like I said, it is a little under 2 weeks, not quite 2 weeks yet, but I think it still lasted pretty good, a decent amount of time. I'm happy with it. Like, it's not really noticeable that it's coming off. It's not to the point yet that I need to remove it. So I'm really happy with how long it lasted, and I really love this color. Like, I think this color is stunning. It's super pretty. I was looking on their website and they had tons and tons of really pretty colors, perfect for summertime, springtime, wintertime, anytime. Pretty much every color you could think of, they definitely would recommend it. And also this little mini LED light, I think it's super cute and super handy. Like, if you're someone that just doesn't have room for a full-size one, or if you want to use this while you're traveling or something, definitely check this out. That is super cute and convenient. I will be leaving the link for Madamglam down below, and also I have a discount code down below if you are interested in checking out this brand and all the polishes. Definitely check that link out. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video.